Nice. Looks like Brennan's losing pretty bad.
Were you taking video?
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect timing too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Never seen. Oh God.
Newest thing coming, we're gonna do the snow dunk challenge.
Hey, look at the snow. Look at the snow all over your hair, man.
I know, right?
Whoa! Not taking pictures.
Well, videos. Never had snow where you could just sit on.
Conforms to your body.
Oh yeah.
I feel like I'm sitting in a hot desert, Con.
Damn right. Damn, we're good.
Look, Con, I got my drink. Wow.
Oh, definitely in the desert with that one. The sand would hurt really bad right now.
Miss.
Oh, she missed you that time.
Don't get me in the face.
I won't. Miss again.
No flex snow. Say
Yeah.
it again.
No flex, snow. No flex, snow.
Might get a hit on that one.
All right.
Uh-oh. Well, that ruined that. Whoops.
Eight.
Oh, it was on mine, actually.
What?
I stepped on it.
Oh, they probably was. It probably just because Instagram can have longer videos than they can. Why? I have no idea, but that's them.
Gabriel.
Gabriel?
The priest. You are.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Well,
How?
hallelujah. This is Brendan. Hold on. This is Brendan buried in the snow.
Hi, followers.
I would like to send a message to everybody out there.
Hi, followers.
Oh! Dude, that was close.
What?
See?
It's the dead! Get out!
Okay, I'm dead.
I would say so. Trying to suffocate you, man.
It's the dead!
Don't bust me in the head with a shovel, okay?
You busted
I
me in
didn't
the
know.